Okay, I just got done showing you the Juniper, the model home over here at Ashton Woods at Madera. Now I just wanted to walk you through the Juniper, which is a spec home and it's not a model, just so I can kind of show you some of the differences from what a fully $250,000 upgraded home looks like to a home that's not significantly upgraded like that. So as you come in here, you'll see it's the same exact floor plan, living area over here. Half bathroom, followed by your full bathroom. And I'm gonna whip through here pretty quick because we've already seen this floor plan. But here's your teen room, bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. And coming down your hallway, this over here will be your laundry area. Remember, the model had a sink and backsplash and was all pretty on the inside. Well, this home's not finished yet, so obviously you do gotta compensate for that, but it still is a very nice home, just not as heavily upgraded. Here you'll see the den area that you saw before in the model, and you'll see the dining area here. This one does have the butler's pantry, but again, not as upgraded as the other model was. Double doors, beautiful size living room, still plenty of room. Here you'll see what I talked about in the model, where the model had the gourmet kitchen and then it had the cabinets that ran all the way down to the end. It had a couple extra windows here, and there's the kitchen nook. Still a beautiful quartz countertop and nice cabinets, just not top of the line like the model. And let's venture into the master bedroom here, where you're gonna see a great sized room, and the bathroom here that had some different upgrades. You had a separate self-standing tub in the model, but you still here have a nice tub and separate shower, and you still have that good size master closet. Alrighty, so I just wanted you to see the difference. You know, we all walk through model homes and fall in love with them and, oh my God, I want this house. And then you go to buy the house and you're like, holy crap, I don't have $200,000 to put into it. Well, you can still get a really nice house without spending $250,000 on upgrades. This is what it looks like. Now, this isn't the finished product, but you can see it's still got nice upgrades. And in a minute here, I'll give you what the price is for this. This is a spec home. So anyways, I just wanted to follow up so you can see the differences. Okay, yeah, the base price for this spec home is $717,990, which, as I said, when you're talking about the model that has $250,000 in upgrades and they have a base price in that 600 range, I mean, that model is going to be significantly more expensive when you can come right into this one, move in really quickly, $717,990.